Wow, hello everyone. Wow. So this video is about a cool website that I made. Uh, I'm not done yet, but I finally got it to a playable state where people can go check it out now. Cool. It's called AI Arena, and basically you write a little AI that control these cellular automatons, whatever, controls these little cells. So you see there's this little grid here with red, blue, and green on there. The green is food, that's what you're supposed to collect. Blue is one team and red is the other team. So for right now, this blue agent, all that it's doing is at every time step, it's taking a random step, and if it gets enough food, it'll split into two. And so it's just kind of randomly exploring the playing field. Here it is a little bit further along when I have two different AI going at the same time, so you'll see that the red and the blue are eating up these foods, and they're kind of competing against each other, and you can see those different scores going up. Here I've got it upgraded a little bit, so instead of just having the text area, I've got these little code editors that are kind of cool, and you can see these cells, they don't try and find the food, they just kind of go around randomly. So their performance is, it's not really predictable. Here is an agent that does a basic breadth first search and looks for food, and it just moves towards the food. Here's what it looks like if that agent also multiplies. You can see the game goes pretty fast. It just eats everything. That's the power of exponential growth. Woo, cool. So the long-term idea for this game is that you kind of write this code and then it gets submitted to a database. And you can download other people's code and run it against your own in the browser. There's some security issues there, so I've had to do some sanitization stuff. So right now, there's no way to fight against other people's code. You just have to, kind of play around in this browser by yourself. But that's the eventual goal for this. There's not really a whole lot of bells and whistles. This is what the website currently looks like. Basically, there's just some points of access to the game field, like API, I guess, where you can look at a point on the field and say like, okay, what's here? So you can do breadth first search and stuff like that, and you can tell your little cells when they should split and where they should move and all kinds of stuff like that. And you can see you can change the color of the text editor, and you can also switch between the AI. There's a drop down that has 3 different types of behaviors. So yeah, this is just kind of a little project I wanted to do to familiarize myself with web development, and I figured I could have you guys, beta test it and tell me what you like, what you don't like, what should be changed. So the next thing I'm going to try and do is make it so that people can play against each other's code. The website is up right now, so you can go look at it. The end.